In this video, we show you how to get started with subscription management. You can see and manage everything about your ServiceNow products subscriptions in the subscription management application. The experience was redesigned and now provides a single, accurate source for all your entitlement data in a user interface that prioritizes actionable information, and it simplifies making allocations using recommended groups. Let's take a tour to see these features in action. The overview page displays high-priority information for all your product subscriptions to help you maximize subscription usage and stay in compliance. Insights displays notifications when you have any subscriptions that are over-allocated and when you have available subscriptions to allocate. If you have custom tables or applications that need to be mapped to products, you'll see that here. You can scan the list of product subscriptions to quickly see a summary of their status, and even set the color-coded thresholds that indicate when your allocations are nearing the purchased capacity. If you happen to need extra help, you can browse the Help Center or click the Report a Problem with Your Subscription link to open a new support case. Details about each subscription show you everything you need to know to make allocations easily and quickly. A summary of your allocations and tables shows you how many you've allocated and what you have available. Review insights to see immediate actions you can take on allocations for a product. The tabs show which groups and users have subscriptions to this product, as well as related information, such as items bundled with the product, custom tables, applications, roles, and purchase history. Allocating subscriptions to groups is easy. Either select Allocate Subscription or Add Groups to allocate the subscriptions from this page. The application recommends groups that have the most relevant roles for using this product, or you can manually select groups with one or more eligible roles. Using subscription management gives you an accurate view of your entitlements and allocations, helps you stay compliant, and makes managing your subscriptions easier than ever. For more information, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.